Dhruv is multiplying two numbers, but by mistake, he took one number as 17 instead of 71. And as a result, the product decreased by 702. Find the other number. Let me say the other number is A. Okay. So one number he took as 17. तो उसका product कितना आ गया? 17 multiplied by A. But actual में वो second number कितना था? 71. Right? So the actual product was supposed to be 71 into A. This difference, okay, this difference is given to you as 702. Right? So 71 minus 17 is 54. A is equal to 702. Okay, ये 9 से जाएगा, 9 6 are 54, 9 7 are 63, 9 8 are 72, and 6 से भी जाएगा, 6 13 are. So we get A is equal to 13. Okay, the other number is 13. Very simple. Okay, based on this, let's solve one more question. Okay, guys, so while multiplying three numbers, Ashok took one of the numbers as 73 instead of 37. As a result, the product went up by 720. Then the minimum possible value of the sum of the squares of the other two numbers is, okay. So let the other two numbers be X and Y, suppose. Okay. So Ashok took one of the numbers as 73. Okay, तो product कितना आया उसका 73 into X into Y. Okay, but actual third number कितना 37 था. So the actual product should have been 37 into X into Y. Okay, as a result, the product went up by 720. So difference of these two values is 720, right? So we will get 36 into XY is equal to 720. This gives XY is equal to 20. Okay. Now the question asks you, what is the minimum possible value of sum of the squares of the other two numbers? So they're asking you, what is the minimum possible value of x square plus y square ka sum? It's the minimum value, right? So now let's take two numbers as x square and y square. Okay. We know that the arithmetic mean is always greater than or equal to geometric mean, right? So on दो numbers का arithmetic mean क्या हो जाएगा? X square plus y square divided by 2 greater than or equal to square root of x square into y square. Geometric mean. Now square root of x square into y square क्या हो जाएगा guys? xy हो जाएगा, which is nothing but 20. है ना? Root of x square y square is xy. Okay, and xy we found is 20. So basically x square plus y square is greater than or equal to 20 into 2, 40. This is the answer. The minimum value of x square plus y square is 40. Anyway, look at the solution. Please pause the video. So Amit takes a 3-digit number and reverses it to get another 3-digit number, okay, from which he subtracts the original. Okay, so let me say the 3-digit number is A, B, C. Okay, इसकी value कितनी होगी? 100A plus 10B plus C. Okay, and reverses it. When he reverses it, the number will become CBA, which is 100C plus 10B plus A. Okay, and he subtracts from the reverse, means from this now he subtracts this particular original number. Okay, find how many such 3-digit numbers are possible if the difference obtained is 495. So 100C minus C will be 99C. 10B 10B हो जाएगा cancel. Okay, A minus 100A will be minus 99A. The difference is 495, right? So when you divide throughout by 99, you will get 5. C minus A is equal to 5. So again, since A, C and A are digits, we know that the maximum value C can take is 9. In that case, A will be 4. 9 minus 4 is 5. अपना condition satisfy हो गया. 8 3, the difference is 5. 7 2, it's again 5. 6 1, it's again 5. 5 0, the difference is also 5. Okay, right? But now again there is a problem with the last case 5 comma 0, right? In 5 comma 0, A is 0. Okay, if A becomes 0, you get a 2-digit number, right, to begin with. But the condition is that you're taking a 3-digit number and reversing it, right? So you don't have to take 5 comma 0 as a possibility. There are only 4 possible cases for C and A, which are 9 4 8 3 7 2 6 1. Okay, so 4 possible answers exist for C minus A being equal to 5. But guys, you have to understand that since we subtracted these two numbers, B got eliminated, right? है ना? मतलब your answer is independent of B. That means B can take any value. Okay, to put it more clearly, suppose हमने पहला वाला केस लिया 9,4. Okay, if A is 4 and C is 9, we can take any possible value of B. B can be 0 also. Okay, B can be 1 also. B can be 2 also. Okay, B can be 3 also in between, right? Okay, B can be 9 also, right? Whichever way you take, okay, when you subtract these, okay, numbers, the reverse में से you subtract the original, the tens place will get cancelled out. You can see here, right? Okay, that means your answer is independent of the tens place. So every possibility here will have 10 values for B, right? 0 से लेके 9 तक यहाँ भी, 0 से लेके 9 तक यहाँ भी, यहाँ भी, यहाँ भी, right? So 4 into 10, we have exactly 40 solutions for the given expression, such that the difference obtained is 495, right? The answer is 40.